Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing today? Today, we are going to define success. We're going to come up with a definition for success so that we understand once we have achieved it or once we have become successful, what our definition of success is. Okay? So, in order to achieve something, you got to know how to define it so you know when you get there that you've achieved it. So, I went to old Mr. Webster and we had a great discussion this morning, and it really came up to this. Success has multiple definitions. The first definition is the result that was hoped for, a satisfactory outcome. Okay? That's pretty simple, isn't it? Two, the act of becoming rich, famous, etc. Okay, we would believe that if you became rich and famous, you'd be successful, wouldn't you? That'd be a success, wouldn't it? Number three, a successful person or thing. Okay? Which means you could say our ball team was a success this year. Okay? That's what that is. So a success is the outcome that is hoped for, or the result that was hoped for, a satisfactory outcome. So if we went out and win our ball game today, that is a success. If we go out and we ace a history test today, that's a success. If we get up this morning and get dressed and have a day filled without drama, that's a success. If we do not use drugs today, that's a success. If we don't use alcohol today, that's a success. If that's your goal. If your goal is, hey, I'm not going to write any hot checks today, I'm not going to commit any crimes today, then at the end of the day, if you've not done that, you have achieved your outcome. You have been a success. So, we got to have the definition of success here. Here, hold on. If I can get this thing right. Success. That is the outcome that is hoped for. Okay? So, what we have now done is we have defined success. So, we now have a target, a definitive target, that allows us to say, hey, this is what success is. Okay? We know the definition according to Webster, so now we must decide what is a success for me? What is a success for you? So, if today I don't go out and do anything illegal, that might be a success for me or for you. If I don't go back to using or go back to alcohol or whatever else, that is a success. Okay? So in order to have success, we have to plan for it, prepare for it, and work for it. But before we can do any of that, we must define it. So all success is we set up a goal, and if we reach our goal, that's success. Very simple, right? So if my goal today is to go out and put in 500 resumes for different jobs, if I do that, I'm a success that day. If my day is, well, let's just see. Let's erase this here real quick. What could success be? Well, let's see. Success could be completing housework. That could be a goal. I'm going to complete the housework today. So success would be completing the housework. It could be feeding the dogs. That's been a success today. They're over here sleeping right here on the floor next to me. But my wife accomplished that goal. But you get my point. It doesn't have to be anything great and grandiose to be success. We have success in small little steps, and they build to the bigger things, okay? So if we want to have success, we have to build to those bigger things, build to what we believe our goal should be, okay? So success simply is achieving a goal, okay? So our goal could be going to work. That would be a success. Having a good day at work would be a success to us. So when we get there, we're going to have a good day at work. We're going to be productive. We're going to be this, that, and the other thing. Okay? That can all be that way. Okay? So we must define success before we can have success. Okay? So remember, guys, success is a goal that you have achieved. Okay? So when you reach a goal, you have success. Okay? Remember, success is not an accident. It is totally, completely, and absolutely up to you whether you are a success on a daily basis. We work for it, prepare for it, plan for it, and we achieve it. Okay? Y'all have a good day.